Hello everyone. So this video is for my clanmates at Clash Royale, the Viking 3 clan. So yeah, as you can see, this is why I decided to quit the game. I would prefer to dedicate more time and energy to something different. You may ask me like, it doesn't take much time to play the game, so why you specifically have to quit? So yeah, I know it's a good point, but a lot of these mobile games, the way they work is that they keep bringing you back to the game by these timed unlocks and all that daily quests and stuff. So I find that if I really spend any time on it, it will be a huge amount of distraction just throughout the day, and I just don't feel it's healthy for me if I want to do anything else. Yeah, this is just the nature of the game, so can't blame them for it. That's how they generate the money. So I have to, I think it's in my best interest to go cold turkey on games like these. So, and I can have more focus on learning a new skill like video editing, or even, trying to create content for channels such as this. And if you just that's what I think. Now, of course, you say, hey, I'm gonna miss you guys. Oh, of course I'll miss you guys too, because even though we don't play together in the game per se, I think you guys been just sharing the replays and while reading your messages. I think we have a sense of community that even though we don't sit in a room or play the game together, we do have that shared connection through the game. And but being here in this clan for over a year, and I see its up and downs. So even though just because I leave doesn't mean the clan's gonna die. I've seen worse in this clan before. So if you guys put some time in it and just make it what it is, and if you put some time in the clan and just put some message and help out the new people and talk about it, share your replays, I think even just by doing that, the clan will stay active for quite some time. So if you have any questions, now you know where to find me, so drop me a message. If you like what I'm going to create, just mostly New York City stuff, or even occasionally some tech related stuff, just drop me a message, subscribe, let me know how it goes. You have a good day, and have fun.